Hey everyone, this is a really quick video showing you how you can save Instagram videos through Instagram super easily. You may notice if you try to right click and just save this photo, it saves it as an HTML file, which isn't what you want. In order to get the actual JPEG for it, you have to go to the top of your browser and go into developer tools. This depends on what kind of browser you're using. I'm using Google Chrome. When you hover over the settings icon, you can go to the more tools section and then you'll find developer tools right here. You can also get here by going Control-Shift-I or just simply pressing F12. Once you do that, you'll notice tons of code on your right side of the screen. From here, where you want to go is the sources section. If you're previewing the photo, it's not going to be changing the URL here. So what you want to do is make sure that you're on the right URL. By clicking on the photo, you'll notice that the top URL bar is going to change. And then here you just press F5 to refresh the screen. You'll notice this screen refreshes as well. And this is the area you're going to be able to save the image. So a lot of times it's different, but in this case, for this photo specifically, I go into Instagram right here, then this V folder, and it's this bottom one. And then you'll notice that the image shows up right here. You can right click the image and go save image as, and then you'll get it just as a JPEG. Sometimes it's going to take a lot of trial and error and just pretty much open up everything here and go down this whole list of all the photos and videos just to find what you're looking for. If you're having any kind of trouble getting the full size image for this, you can just right click it and go open image in a new tab and you'll have it right here. Same thing, you just right click it and save image as and you'll get it in the proper format. Alright, that's it for me. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like so you can share it across YouTube. And please subscribe to our channel, see more great tutorials just like this. Have a great day everyone. Cheers.